We Indians love our K-dramas, be it any genre, from thrillers to rom-coms to horror. But did you know there's a whole world of Indian shows that are adapted from K-dramas? So today we're going to deep dive into these Indian shows that have been adapted from K-dramas. We're going to talk about their plots, did it really work with the Indian audiences, and why they were adapted in the first place. But before I get into all of that, do like, share and subscribe to the Namaste Halyu channel for more videos like this. So let's get into our first drama, which is Shayad Yahi Hai Pyar, which is set to release on Jio Hotstar soon. It has been adapted from the Korean drama Something in the Rain, which was fairly popular itself because it portrayed romance in a very soft and realistic kind of way, while also dealing with emotionally mature topics of age gap differences in relationships and an unspoken culture of sexism in the workplace. India and Korea share a really similar cultural thread in terms of the workplace culture, especially for women, and also the societal judgment in relationships. So this K-drama getting an Indian adaptation is a warm welcome, especially at this time where portrayal of such topics is not common in the mainstream media. Next on our list, we have the K-drama Flower of Evil with its Indian adaptation, which is Duranga. Both shows have a pretty similar plotline in terms of a detective opening up an old cold case only to discover that the fugitive from that case could potentially be her current partner and the father to their young daughter. The reason the original was so popular was because of its subversion of the usual K-drama trope, where it perfectly balanced the mix of psychological thriller with a deeply emotional established marriage melodrama. Unlike traditional crime dramas, it was intertwined with the actual plot and moved it forward rather than taking a backseat. And honestly, the Indian adaptation did a pretty good job of adapting that emotional tension and psychological suspense while also keeping it somewhat Indian. What's interesting is Duranga really proved a point that Indians love thriller, which is why we also have the adaptation of the ever iconic K-drama Signal, the Indian adaptation being called Gyara Gyara. If you haven't watched Signal yet, you need to. The concept is absolutely insane. A detective in the present timeline connects with a detective from a past timeline via a mysterious walkie-talkie to solve cold cases across the timeline. The reason this story is so iconic is the perfect blend of supernatural while also having realistic human stories of crime and consequences. The walkie-talkie only activates at 11:11 p.m. only for a minute, and this heightened restriction makes the tension even more intense because it doesn't always show the outcome as a positive. It also shows the consequences of changing a past event, sometimes in the negative sphere, which ends up making things worse. Honestly, the rise of Indian adaptations from K-dramas just shows how much Indian audiences do want complex stories rather than the general soap operas we were so used to. However, we as Indians do enjoy our youth dramas too, which leads to, if not adaptations, inspirations from K-dramas like Boys Over Flowers or even The Heirs, which leads to Indian shows like Kaisi Ye Yaariyan and even Kahani Hamari Dil Dosti Diwanipan Ki. With all these shows sharing common themes and tropes like elite rich students, romance drama, bad boy male lead, and intense emotional relationship. Basically, the chaebol school system of Korea made its way to India, and honestly, it makes sense because Indians love their dramatic romance. That's why K-dramas became so popular here in the first place. But what do you think? Which is your favorite K-drama adaptation in India? And what K-drama would you like to see next as an Indian adaptation? Do let us know in the comments, and do like, share and subscribe to the Namaste Hari YouTube channel for more India x Korea content like this. That will be all for now.